In this episode, we're actually going to use an interesting technique that combines bleeding acupuncture along with cupping. And it's very commonly used for heat syndromes as well as for pain. So this is a great choice for back pain. Once again, we're going to swab the area to make sure that it's sterile. And in this case, we use a lancet, which is very similar to what diabetics use if they're checking their blood sugar. And now we utilize the cup again in the same fashion. And we'll place that over the location where we just use the bleeding needle. And you may be able to see from the camera, we're starting to get a drop of blood that's starting to come forward. And if we leave this on here for a few minutes, that amount of blood will start to increase. We'll give that a moment to do some of its work. There we go. We're actually starting to get a little bit of a drip from there, which is good. And actually, in order to be therapeutic, we oftentimes will leave this on for about 5 minutes and get about a teaspoon or so of blood out of it. But in this case, for the magic of TV, we'll go ahead and leave it on there not quite so long. And what you'll see is when I release the pressure from this cup, the blood actually kind of sprays up on the cup. So if you're squeamish, you might want to go ahead and not watch the video right now. We didn't have too much from that. So you can see that we have a little bit of blood there, and we'll go ahead and just clean that up, and a little bit of bruising that's left over from that. And that's bleeding cupping, and it's quite effective for pain.